And welcome back to this tutorial for Astrolabe's Cell Subset Navigator. In this video, I'm going to show how to explore cell subsets using the MDS Map visualization. As I am selecting cell subsets in the MDS Map, detailed information is displayed underneath. The subsets here are ordered by my selection, so the first subset I selected is on top and the last is at the bottom. I can unselect a subset in the MDS Map or by closing its detail section here. The bar chart shows the frequency of the subset across all samples. It can be sorted by my experiment features. So for example, in this experiment, samples were taken from patients both in the acute and convalescent stage of infection. So if I sort by time point, I'm going to see my bar chart reordered with acute samples on the left and convalescent samples on the right. Another way I can look at this data is with the Immunophenotyping Heat Map. This visualization shows each of my samples vertically on the left, and you can see they are still sorted by time point. Across the top, you can see the markers defined in my experiment. Each square in this grid is shaded according to the frequency of that marker in each sample. If I focus on just CD38, I can see for this dataset CD38 has a high frequency across all my samples, and almost every square is a deep or dark green. I can also see as I scroll down from my acute samples to my convalescent samples, the frequency of CD38 is slightly diminished as the squares are not shaded in quite so dark a green. Next in this series, I will show how to use the frequency heat map.